Hi, love. So, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you are welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, well, thank you so much for always returning back to my channel. So, in today's video, I'm going to create a simple glam. So, I have already cleansed my face and I went in with the St. Ive moisturizer. And guys, moisturizer is the best thing ever to do. So after moisturizing my face, I went in with the Bicham Ageless Primer. And guys, you have to tap the primer into your skin. Okay, so yeah. And now after primer, I went in with the Adventure foundation. And guys, this foundation is a mattify foundation, so when working with it, you have to blend and blend well, okay, because how you are going to blend it will determine the outcome of the look that you are going to achieve. Okay, so blending is the key in makeup. You need to blend and blend until you are satisfied with whatever the outcome is. So blending your foundation is very important. So you can notice that I have not applied a fresh product on my nose and under my eye. I'm going to use the leftover on the beauty blender to blend my nose, my under eye, and that will be it. So blend. You can see that um I'm already certified with 8. Now after I finished blending, I went in with the Bicham Ageless concealer under my eye just to brighten it a little bit, the bridge of my nose, my chin, and my forehead. So I use the other side of the beauty blender and blend the concealer until I'm okay with it. So after I finished blending, I went in with the ZKL compact powder, that is the palette, and I used the lighter shade inside to set my concealers under my eye, the bridge of my nose, my forehead, and my chin. And guys, when doing these steps, you should be light handed with it. You tap, you blend, you tap, you blend. So yeah. So after I finish with it, I use the darker shade. Is it one shade darker than my skin to contour my face, my forehead, and my cheek, and that is all. And be very light-handed with that, okay? And I use the same shade to contour my nose as well. So after I finished contouring my nose, I went in with the exact powder of mine to set the whole face. I tap and blend, tap and blend. Now I went in with my adventure setting spray to set the whole face, and I went on with using the Sasha Buttercup to bake under my eye. Now that I'm coming to do the eyebrow and the eyeshadow, so I use the Sasha Buttercup to bake under my eye and the bridge of my nose. So now I use my eyebrow tint to brush my brow to set my brow in place before going in with the Kiss Beauty eyebrow pomade. And when you are outline your brow, you have to be light handed with that. Okay, so I'm just following the exact shape of my eyebrow, and after that I fill in the spaces. When it comes to eyebrow, just take your time and draw your brow. No rushing. Okay. So after I finish, I use the Adventure concealer to highlight my brow bone and blend it down to my eyelid. Okay. So I don't conceal the top of the brow anymore, and blend the brow bone area. You blend it down. Okay. So now after this, I went on with the eyeshadow base to prime my eyelid. Okay, you blend, and at this point I don't know what type of eyeshadow I was going for. Okay, so I decided to um do some kind of green, black, I don't know. I'll just leave you to watch it to the end. Okay. So after your eyeshadow, as a beginner, know that you can use a shimmer direct on the eyeshadow base. Okay, because when you do that, your eyeshadow will begin to crack and you won't like it. So after your concealer or your eyeshadow base, try to set it with powder, or you go in with your matte eyeshadow before your shimmer. Okay. So now before I'm going in with that shimmer green color over there on my eyeshadow lid. So this is what I mean by setting your base before you go on with a shimmer color. By doing this, it will prevent your eyeshadow from cracking. So after you finish with your eyeshadow, make sure that you blend everything together before you move on. Now I am using the Advol liquid eyeliner on my eyelid. I'm not drawing any wing line or whatever. I just want it to be close to my eye line. So I'm using a black pencil to line my waterline. So I went off camera to fix my lashes, and now I'm applying a blush on my cheek, and that is it. So after you finish applying your blush, make sure that you put everything together by blending the whole face together so that you can have that smooth transitions. Okay, so now I'm using the smaller brush under my eye, taking off the excess powder under my eye, and that will be it. So after I finished with the blending, I went in with the adventure setting spray, that is the dew setting spray, and I put everything together. I love the look. Okay, so now I went in with the black pencil I use on my waterline to line my lip, and I went on using a nude lipstick, and because I am focusing on my eyeshadow. So, yep, I blend everything together, and I love the outcome of this look. So thank you so much for always watching my videos. I hope this video is very helpful. If it does, give me the thumbs up, and always put on your notification bells on so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. So see you in my next video. Bye.